Hi everyone, Gemma here. Thanks for watching today, and I've got with me.
Hi guys, it's Aria again.
We're going to be making a Wednesday Adam inspired card today. So Aria's a big fan of Wednesday, so she's going to be making the Wednesday one, and I've got Enid, and we've purchased some of these images from Etsy, so I'll do my best to link them in the description box below. So we're going to do a circular card.
Yes.
So this is our card base, and it measured 6.5 inches. So I prepared the card base. I'm just going to fold over and burnish. Do you want to do the same, Aria?
Yes.
Very good. Then we've cut a circle in the same size, so that will go on the front there, and then that covers all this little gap up here then. Got yours?
Yeah.
Should we glue them down?
Are you sure? So, your glue is better.
Do you want to use that one?
It's much faster. And it sticks more. Got to go.
Well, it's the same glue in both bottles.
I know, but like...
It's just got a larger end, so you can get more.
Can you stick it down?
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Why?
Because I don't want it to like be wrong. Because this is my Wednesday card, and I love her.
It wouldn't be wrong. It'll be amazing. So tell everyone where we've been today.
We've been to the nail store.
The nail store.
the nail clinic.
Salon.
The nail salon. I've got Wednesday nails.
And Aria picked this design for me, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's alright. You're excited.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. Are we having this platform?
Yeah.
So we open it.
Yeah, I'll show you now. So we've got a white piece of card to go on the inside for us to write our message.
So by there. So it goes like that.
Yeah, so that line will line up to there. So we're just going to glue our white pieces on the inside of the card. There we go. You're going to put it on the inside, so which bits? Yeah, so it goes on this side here. Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah, let's have a look. You got it.
Oh my god, I got glue on myself.
It's okay. Just rub your hands together like that.
Oh no, I got glue on my card.
It just comes off.
What?
This is why you shouldn't put too much on there, because it oozes out. So we're going to work on the fun part now. So we've got the stained glass image here, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we've got one of those each. I've got Enid and Aria's got Wednesday. And we're just going to decorate our cards now, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm going to pop some of mine up onto some foam. Are you going to do the same, or are you going to use the glue like you did last time?
Glue.
Glue?
Because guys, last time, like, if you didn't watch us, last time, you all voted on me because I had glue. So I'm gonna go again.
Have you got anything to say to everyone that watched you the last time?
Thank you for picking me, and not Gemma.
It's very nice of everyone to take the time to comment on the video, isn't it?
Yeah. also nice because they picked me.
So you've been excited about making this card, haven't you?
Yeah. I only started on the card yet.
Did you forget?
Yeah. Oh no, I moved it.
It's alright, you can still move a little bit. You got time.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh. Beautiful.
That is beautiful. Good placement, that is.
Thank you.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh my god, it's just so beautiful.
Glue on your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, look where the flower landed. Should I put it in her hair?
Yeah, that was cute.
Yeah. I was going to have 3 like this. Think that's better?
I think like put one like of these like in her hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's our cards finished. So I'll just bring mine up to the camera so you can have a look.
And
You've got the white bit
mine
inside.
is better.
You can show everyone yours. What's your favourite part about the card?
Wednesday.
Did you enjoy making it?
Well, duh.
So let us know what you think in the comments below.
I'm better.
So I'll do my best to link any of the images that I've used in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.